So inevitably, you're probably going to mess up, make a mistake, spill some paint, paint a line that's not something you want, and here's how you clean it up. All right, so little paint, not where you want it to be, little blob. It's very easy. So basically, you're gonna take a rag or a paper towel, and you're just gonna wipe away as much as you can first. Okay, and then you're gonna take a hard, short brush, not soft, because then it's gonna go all over the place. Dip it in some water, get the excess water off, and just kind of clean it up like that. So just go over the spot and sort of brush it out, kind of like an eraser, actually. And you really can just sort of like almost scratch it off, and you can get a pretty clean line like that. So there you go. Crazy.